I've been riding all my life. Now I'm here, I compete nationally. Not everybody qualifies for the finals, so to be picked to qualify was really my moment. I had a pretty bad accident at a national competition, and I figured I really needed help, obviously, because my ankle was in pretty bad shape, and so I figured I just needed to see the best in the area, and that was him.
My name is Viens. I'm a fellowship-trained, board-certified orthopedic surgeon with subspecialty training in foot and ankle surgery. Chapel had a potentially devastating ankle injury with a dislocation, significant injury to all of the ligaments in her ankle. The foot and ankle team here at EmergeOrtho really have a variety of techniques and skill sets. Our facility is really well positioned to be able to take care of an injury like this. We did arthroscopy to clean out the joint while also stabilizing her ankle, helping make her a lot more comfortable by using an external fixation device. We were able to remove that device and look in her joint and clean it out again and graft the joint surface with the cartilage. And then we were able to actually fix her fractures with the plates and screws. But Chapel was able to really bounce back and fight through this injury remarkably well, and truly has, I think, come out of this whole thing stronger as a result.
It was my first time having surgery, and they were so relaxing and really made sure I knew exactly what was going on. And they really made me feel safe and at home, and I was very comfortable falling asleep under their care. I have a really good physical therapist. His name's Jody, and he has been the best. He's very motivational and really has talked me through each step as well. Like, you got this, you can do this, to continue showing and doing what I love.